In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a VAT number in Shopify. If you're managing an online store using Shopify and need to include a VAT number for your transactions, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through the steps required to set up VAT correctly, ensuring your store's compliance with tax regulations. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, the first thing you should do is head over to the dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your command center where you can manage everything related to your store. From here, navigate to the My Store section. This is typically found under the Home button. Clicking here takes you to a comprehensive overview of your store's settings and performance. Now the next step is to access the settings. You'll find the settings option usually towards the bottom of the left-hand menu or along the bottom bar on your screen. Give that a click. Within the settings, you have control over various aspects of your store, but today our focus will be specifically on tax settings. In the settings menu, look for taxes and duties. Select this option and it will bring you to the area where you can manage all the tax related configurations for your store. It's important to get this right because taxes can be a complex part of running an online business, and ensuring that you've set it up correctly will save you from potential issues down the line. Once you are in the taxes and duties section, it's time to click on Charge VAT on digital goods. This option might sound specific to digital products, but in many cases it applies to your general VAT settings as well. This is particularly crucial if you're selling to customers in regions where VAT is a legal requirement. By enabling this, Shopify will automatically calculate and apply VAT rates to applicable transactions. That's all you need to do in order to add your VAT number to Shopify. This process ensures your store adheres to legal tax obligations and can aid in improving your business's credibility, especially if you're operating on an international scale. Don't forget to double check all of your settings to confirm everything is correctly configured, and consult a tax professional if you're ever uncertain about what tax rates to apply for your particular business needs. Thank you for following along. By performing these straightforward actions, you've taken an essential step in managing your financial obligations on Shopify. Stay tuned for more helpful guides on optimizing your e-commerce operations. If you have any questions or need further clarification about any step, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.